Hello and welcome to your 12-minute morning yoga flow, helping you to stretch your full body and feel refreshed. We begin in a cross-legged position. With your inhale, raising the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a twist to the left. Left hand comes behind, right hand to your left knee. Full breath here while sitting up nice and tall. Keep your right hand on your left knee and reach your left arm up and over. Breathe into this beautiful side body twist along your left side. Then reach your left arm forward and cross it over your left knee. Rounding the upper back and drawing the shoulder blades away from each other. Gently release and lift the arms up overhead and we'll switch sides. And as you exhale, take a twist to the right, bringing your right hand behind you and your left hand to your right knee. Sitting up nice and tall, finding length through your spine. Keep your left hand on your right knee and reach your right arm up and over. Full breath here. Great, reach your right arm forward and cross it over your right knee, rounding through the upper back. Slowly release, place your hands behind you and uncross your feet. And we begin to sway our knees from side to side, like a windshield wiper, just rocking the knees. The next time the knees goes over the left side, place the hands on front of your left leg. Full breath here. Find length in your spine. And as you exhale, fold forward. Relax your chin to your chest or option to rest your forehead even on the mat. Lift yourself back up and take the knees over to the right side. Placing the hands in front of your right leg and finding length from the fingertips to the crown of your head. Inhale, find length and exhale, fold forward, lower down. Option to rest the forehead on the mat. Gently unwind and come into tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. With an inhale, raise the left arm up and over, opening up to the left side. Exhale, thread the left arm under your right. Lower your shoulder and lower the side of your head to the mat. Right arm either reaches forward or you can wrap your right arm behind your back. With your next inhale, come back into tabletop, reaching the arm up overhead. Exhale, plant your left hand and we'll switch sides. Inhale, raising the right hand up overhead. Exhale, setting the right arm under the left armpit. And begin to slowly lower down. Option to reach your left arm forward or wrap the arm behind your back. Gently release, reaching the left arm up and over, and come back into tabletop. Go ahead and tuck your toes, lift your knees, lift your hips, and push back into downward facing dog. Option to keep a bend in the knees or start to pedal out the legs here. Remember to be always being gentle with your body. Not forcing, just guiding your body here. Go ahead and raise your right leg, coming into three-legged dog. Look forwards and step with your right foot in between your hands. And lower your back knee down. With your inhale, lift the arms up high. Exhale, hands come down and straighten your front leg. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Inhale, reaching the arms up, and exhale, lower the arms down, straighten the leg. Rebend the front knee and plant the hands beside your right foot. Shuffle the foot to the right side of your mat to create space, coming into lizard pose. You could keep the back knee planted or you could lift the knee for a little bit more of a challenge here. Stay into this beautiful hip opening stretch for a few breaths. Rebend the front knee and come back into plank. Ripple forwards, plant your knees and slide forward into cobra pose. Lifting your chest and heart. Exhale, come into down dog. Pedaling out the feet. With your inhale, raise your left leg, coming into three-legged dog. Exhale, step the left foot in between your hands. Plant the left knee and raise your hands up overhead to the sky. Exhale, lowering the arms and straighten the leg out. Once more, inhale, raise your arms. And exhale, straighten your leg, flexing your toes. Inhale to raise your arms. And exhale to lower your arms, straighten your leg. Great, plant your hands beside your right foot. And shuffle the foot to the right side of the mat, creating space, coming into lizard pose. Option to keep the right knee bent or lifting the knee for a more challenging pose. Stay here for a few breaths, enjoying this hip opening lizard pose. We bend the front knee, come back into plank. Exhale, lower the knee, slide into chaturanga and find cobra. Great, go ahead and sending the hips towards the heels for child's pose, forehead or cheek to the mat, taking a moment of rest here. Gently come back up and bring your legs together into a kneeling position. Hands can rest on your thighs, and we begin to find some seated cat and cows. With your exhale, round your back and bring your chin to your chest. And with your inhale, roll your shoulders back, expanding out your chest so you're opening the front of your body. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale, opening up the chest and heart. Last one. Come back to a neutral spine. From here, just begin with some gentle head rolls over to the right side and over to the left. Starting with half circles, and if that feels good, you can move into full circles. Circle in the opposite direction. Bring your head back into a neutral position. Inhale, raising the hands up overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Take a moment to honor yourself for showing up on the mat today. Thank you so much for joining me on this morning yoga class, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.